to my kitchen. Today, I'm making a no-bake cheesecake with blueberry topping. It is a light, airy, and refreshing dessert. We start with the blueberry topping. Use 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries. Rinse only the fresh berries. Transfer to a medium saucepan. Add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1/4 cup of water. In a medium-high heat, bring the berries to a boil. Mix gently. You don't want to crush them. Reduce the heat and simmer for 5 minutes or until liquid is reduced by half. In a separate bowl, mix together 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. We do this to prevent clumping when we add it to the hot blueberry sauce. Now mix it constantly till it's thickened. It will take about a minute or 2. Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Line parchment paper on a 9-inch springform pan. This step will make it easier to remove the cake from the pan. In a food processor, add 8 ounces of biscuit or graham crackers. Pulse and grind them till they are nice and crumbly. Add 1 stick of melted unsalted butter. Mix till it's well blended. Transfer them to the prepared pan. Spread and press them down evenly. Line with acetate cake color. It's optional. Chill the base in the refrigerator while we are making the cheesecake batter. To a 1/2 cup of water, add 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin powder. By increasing the water ratio to the gelatin powder, it will result in a super and lighter cake. Add 2 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature, with a 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Beat well till it's smooth and creamy. In a separate mixing bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream with 1/2 cup of sugar. Mix well with electric mixer till it's rich, soft peak. After I whip the cream, it's so good. This is my indulgent moment. Add the whipped cream to the cream cheese mixture in 2 sections and fold it gently. In a microwave, heat the gelatin mixture for 20 seconds. Temper the gelatin by adding a small amount of cheesecake batter into the gelatin. Mix it well and pour it back. Mix till it's well incorporated by folding it, then follow with a hand mixer just till it's well combined. Don't over mix it. Pour the filling into the springform pan. Tap few times on the counter to release air bubble. Chill it in the refrigerator overnight till it's set. Spread the blueberry topping and smooth evenly. Chill it at least an hour. Then release the springform from the cake. Remove gently the acetate color cake. Make sure the cake is chilled enough. Transfer the cake to a serving dish. The parchment paper that we put on the bottom will make it slide easily. Cut the cake and enjoy a creamy, lighter blueberry cheesecake.